this big box. It's an Aquadoodle, Paw Patrol, Chase on the case mat, and it comes with Chase. And you can draw on it, and it looks so cool. So we're gonna open this up, all right? All right, so here is the mat, and here's the pen it comes with. We had to fill it with water. And it also comes with this cool little chase that is actually a, what's it called? A stamp with a paw on it. Whoa, that is cool.
Who's this?
I don't know. Who is that? It looks like Ryder. It's Ryder. That is cool. Who else is hiding on there?
I don't know.
Let's find some other guys. Still just Ryder. Can't find anyone?
No.
That looks like you found someone, did you?
No.
Nope. I don't know. Try maybe down here.
No.
Where are they? Who was it?
No, it's no one.
It's no one. What about under Ryder? Let's see, are there any pups hiding? Oh, who is that? Rubble! We found Rubble, and that noise is coming from this one over here. Addie, say hi. Addie and her favorite cow. Right. Rubble! We found Rubble and Ryder. Here, let me get you some water for your stamp. Oh, you found Zuma. Nice, Zuma. Who else?
There's no one.
No one? Where do you think they are? We still have to find Rocky and Sky and Chase and Marshall, right? I have to get some water, hold on. Chase in some water. And then, there he goes. Let's see the paws. It's not working too well, is it? Here, let's see. Let's see. Doesn't really work so well. I mean, a little. Not really, huh? Ryder's foot?
Yeah.
I don't know. Did it disappear? We have to find the other guys. Where are they? Where do you think they went? Do you think they're over here?
I don't think so. Where's the arm?
Where's his arm? And his hair. It's all disappearing. Get it. Let's find the other guys.
Okay. There's no one.
No one. We found Chase. Chase on the case. So now we just need to find Marshall and who else? We have Rubble, Zuma, Chase. We need Marshall and Sky. Yeah, we just need Marshall and Sky, right? They're probably right here. What do you think? You found Sky! She's flying! Go, Sky, go! She's right underneath herself. Look, there's Sky and there's Sky. So we just need to find Marshall. Where's Marshall? Addie and her cow. And she sees the kitty cat. And there's all of our garbage from the box. Where is Marshall? Let's find him. Where could he be? There's Marshall. We found Nope, that's Rocky. Okay, so I forgot that we didn't find Rocky, so now we just need Marshall. We got Rocky. So where is Marshall hiding?
I don't know.
I don't know either. Where is he hiding? We found Marshall. He's up here. Get him. He's up here. There's Marshall. So we have Marshall and Ryder and Rubble and Zuma and Rocky and Chase and Sky. She's fading a little bit. And there's Marshall. Awesome, Henry, you found them all. Cool.
Yeah.
You don't have to dip it in there. The water's already in there, buddy. Cool. This is fun, right? This thing?
Yeah.
You like it? Alright. Say bye-bye. Subscribe to our channel.
Bye.
Alright, bye.